specific night in my life where I was in the middle of a park on a seesaw with someone I really cared about, and we both had a tornado warning on our phones at the same time. And we basically went, I think it's time to move on, and I think it's time to write a song about this, and so I called it Tornado Warning.